We're solving problem 23 from the AMC 12B from 2022. Let x0, x1, x2 be a sequence of numbers where each x sub k is either 0 or 1. For each positive integer n, define s of n be this summation. Suppose s 7 times the s of n is congruent to 1 mod 2 to the power of n for all n is greater than or equal to 1. What is the value of the sum of x of 2019 plus 2x 2020 plus 4x 2021 plus 8x 2022? Well, this sum here, let's see here. Well, this is clearly the greatest numbers here. Let's see. Well, we realize that this sum is basically, this sum can be set equal to the sum of 2023 minus the sum of 2019 over 2 to the power of 2019. Well, why is this? It's because s of 2023 is equal to, well, x naught, 2 naught, dot, dot, dot. Well, it's the n minus 1, so it's really k is 2022. And this is evidently to the power of, it'd just be easier to describe it. So s sub 2023 is equal to, well, x naught 2 to the power of 0 plus x1 to 1 plus x3 plus, oh shoot, this goes dot dot dot. You add x 2019 times 2 to the power of 2019, and then our last term is going to be x 2023 plus 2 to the power of 2023. Well, really what's interesting here is this x 2023 2 to the power of 2023. This, when you factor out a 2 to the power of 2019, equal to x sub 2023 plus 2 to the power of 4, or no, times 2 cubed. Oh, wait, no, because since this is the 2023 term, it's in 2022, so this is 2022 too. That's my fault. But now this becomes 2 cubed, and this is where you get the 8 from. So you have an extra 2019, you divide it to get that answer. This is the highest degree term, and this here is where the S 2019 comes in. That's all the terms before it, but since we're erasing it, we don't need it. So we have this very nice formula form, right? So now if we multiply it by 7 on both sides, get the 7x 2019 plus 2x 2020 plus 4x 2021. Oh, that looks like a sub. Plus 8x 2022 is equal to 7 times s 2023 minus s 2019 over 2 to the power of 2019, correct? Well, this is interesting because we do this as we know that this property holds truth. So let's use that. So in this case, or not in this case, 7s of 2023 is equal to 1 times mod times 2 to the power of 2023. Okay, this basically means that this is 1 plus a multiple of 2 to the power of 2023. So let's let that be A. Similarly, we can do this with the 2019 one. So 7s 2019 simplifies to 1 plus 2 2019 times b. We want a 2 to the power of 2019 here, so we can rewrite it as 2 to the power of 2019. Since there's a 2 to the power of 4 being multiplied out, we multiply it, say, onto the a, this becomes 16a. We have now our two equations, which is good, because now we can simplify this whole thing. This just becomes 1 plus 2 to the power of 2019 times 16a minus 1 plus 2 to the power of 2019b over 2 to the power 2019. This all simplifies down to 16a minus b when you divide both sides by 2019 and further simplify. So since we multiplied it by a 7, we know that our answer is equal to 16a minus b over 7. Okay, that's really nice because now we can get somewhere, like maybe test the answer choices. So if this is true, say n is the number that we want, that means 16a minus b is a multiple of 7, our answer, correct? Now, what you can simply do is, well, you can test two properties. This equation, or 16a equals 7n plus b to check. Now, after testing all the answer choices, you get that our answer is 6. And we're done.